Hey, cosmic travelers! Whether you're a young dreamer searching for meaning or a wise soul reflecting on life's journey, welcome to Vedic Cycle of Life. After the shadow's silence comes the song of light. After Ketu's detachment begins Shukra's enchantment, the Mahadasha of Venus, the guru of Asuras, the master of Kama, Rasa, and Sukha. It lasts for 20 years, one of the longest and most defining chapters of life. Nature and essence. Venus is of Jala Tattva, the water element that flows, unites, and nurtures. Its guna is Rajas, activity, attraction, and creation. Its dosha predominance is Kapha, cool, moist, stabilizing, and soothing. It embodies the feminine principle, Strilinga, receptive, harmonizing, graceful. Karakatva, the domains of Venus. Venus governs the realm of beauty and artistic expression, inspiring poetry, music, and aesthetic harmony wherever it shines. It rules over love and marriage, guiding the heart toward both human intimacy and divine affection. It grants material comforts, luxuries, and the sweetness of life, the wealth that delights the senses and soothes the mind. It refines the personality with diplomacy, charm, and grace, teaching the art of attraction through refinement rather than force. Venus is also the Karaka of fertility and creative vitality, nurturing the power of creation within and without. When awakened spiritually, it transforms pleasure into bhakti, devotion, compassion, and the ability to see divinity reflected in all that is beautiful. Spiritual meaning. Venus Mahadasha is not merely about pleasure, it's about the alchemy of desire. As Brihad Parashara Hora Shastra says, Shukro Bhogartham Vidyaj. Shukra grants both enjoyment and wisdom. Each Antardasha of Venus reveals how Venus's domains, love, art, relationships, luxury, and aesthetic enjoyment, interplay with the nature of the sub-period Lord, creating joy, abundance, and fulfillment. Whether Venus is strong or weak, each phase teaches how desires are manifested meaningfully and creatively. First Venus Antardasha. Duration 3 years and 4 months. Shukre Shukre Mahalabha Saukhyam Raja Samagama. In Venus's own sub-period, comfort, pleasure, and royal associations arise. When Venus meets herself, it's like love gazing into its own mirror. The world appears softer, more beautiful. Colors brighter, music sweeter. Creativity blooms effortlessly. In modern life, this often translates to artistic breakthroughs, financial stability through luxury, design, fashion, or entertainment, or simply the ability to attract comfort and admiration. When well placed, it brings love that heals, wealth that flows, and creativity that inspires. When debilitated or afflicted, indulgence replaces inspiration. Love turns possessive, and luxury becomes a cage. The blend of Jalatatva, water, Rajas Guna, and Kapha makes this period emotionally rich, sensual, and nurturing, yet prone to lethargy and overattachment. In health, balance matters. Too much pleasure can strain the body. Moderation is the real beauty. Career-wise, it's a time of artistic or aesthetic success. Wealth flows easily, especially in creative or service-oriented fields. Relationships thrive, but they demand emotional maturity. Second Venus Sun Antardasha. Duration 1 year. Shukre Surya Vaibhavhani Ninda Rogam Cha. Under Venus Sun, loss of status, criticism, or health concerns may arise. The fiery sun meets the watery Venus. Desire faces the light of truth. It's a phase of ego clashes, where pride and affection must learn to coexist. In the modern world, it can bring shifts in career leadership or public image. Sometimes promotions, sometimes ego wounds. For artists or leaders, fame may come, but so does scrutiny. Health may show imbalances related to pitta dosha, heat, blood pressure, or stress. Relationships may test boundaries. Love demands respect, not control. Wealth fluctuates. Impulsive spending or showy investments may cause losses unless guided by wisdom. Third Venus Moon Antardasha. Duration 1 year and 8 months. Shukre Chandre Saukhyam Stri Premam Cha. In Venus Moon, pleasure, affection, and feminine grace flourish. Here, two luminous hearts meet, love and emotion intertwine. The world feels more romantic, more poetic. Artistic inspiration runs deep, and compassion becomes natural. For career, this period favors creative expression, media, beauty, or caregiving fields. It's excellent for collaborations and partnerships based on trust. Wealth often flows through social or emotional connections. People are drawn to your charm and sensitivity. Health aligns with Kapha and Jala. Emotions affect the body. Water retention, mood swings, or emotional eating may appear. Healing comes through calmness, music, and emotional release. When well placed, this period brings peace in family and relationships. When afflicted, oversensitivity or emotional dependency may surface. 4. Venus Mars Antardasha. Duration 1 year and 2 months. Shukre Bhaume Kalaho Vaishamyam Cha. In Venus Mars, conflicts or passionate unions may arise. In the modern world, this phase sparks growth in entrepreneurship, media, fashion, or fitness industries. You want to build, achieve, and conquer beauty itself. But if Mars is too fiery or Venus too indulgent, it can lead to impulsive choices, arguments, or burnout. Health reflects pitta imbalance, inflammation, stress, or hormonal issues. Relationships become magnetic, deeply intimate yet volatile if ego enters. Financially, there's strong earning potential, but spending rises equally fast. The combined Agni-Jala mix creates passion and transformation, the fire of creation or the fire of destruction. This period whispers, balance your fire, let passion serve purpose, not control it. 5th Venus Rahu Antardasha. Duration 2 years and 8 months. Shukre Raho Vyasanam Vilasam Cha. During Venus Rahu, indulgence, fascination, or excessive desires arise. Here, illusion meets indulgence. Venus craves pleasure. In career, sudden success can arrive, often through glamour, technology, or unconventional fields. Social media fame, luxury ventures, or foreign associations flourish. But unrestrained desires may lead to scandal or moral confusion. Health concerns linked to Vata-Kapha imbalance, addictions, anxiety, or sleep issues. Relationships may become intoxicating, thrilling yet unstable. Wealth may grow fast but vanish if driven by greed. If Venus is strong, this phase opens creative genius. If weak, it clouds judgment. It's the modern test of balance: fame without losing integrity, success without losing peace. Rahu tempts, Venus beautifies. Together they ask, can you enjoy illusion without being owned by it? 6th Venus Jupiter Antardasha. Duration 2 years and 4 months. Shukre Guru Dhan Labha Putra Sukham Vidya Prabodhash. In Venus Jupiter, wealth, children's joy, and wisdom arise. When Venus meets Jupiter, the guru of Devas, it's like beauty meeting wisdom, a divine partnership between love and dharma. In modern life, this is a time when relationships evolve beyond attraction. They become nurturing, spiritual, and purposeful. Marriages strengthen and family harmony grows. Those seeking true companionship often find it now. Career wise, opportunities expand. Teaching, law, finance, or mentorship roles flourish. Wealth increases not just through effort but through grace and connections. Jupiter adds ethics and meaning to Venus's charm. Health improves under balanced energy. Optimism heals. However, excessive indulgence, food, pleasure, or comfort can lead to kapha imbalances like weight gain or lethargy. 7. Venus Saturn Antardasha. Duration 3 years and 2 months. Shukre Mande, Vishadha, Vilamba, Karma Phal Prapte. Under Venus Saturn, delays, discipline, and karmic rewards unfold. Now the pleasure-seeking Venus sits beside Saturn, the stern teacher. In this modern context, it's a time of maturity. Relationships that were built on attraction are tested for endurance. Some may end, others deepen through patience and shared struggle. Career-wise, it's a phase of hard work, restructuring, and facing consequences of past choices. The glamour fades, but true stability is born. Financially, it's a slow but steady climb. Investments mature, debts resolve. Health requires discipline. Vata imbalances, anxiety, joint pain, fatigue may appear due to stress or emotional strain. 8. Venus Mercury Antardasha. Duration 2 years and 8 months. Shukre Buddhe Kala, Vakpatuta, Vittalabha. In Venus Mercury, art, eloquence, and wealth arise. Now intellect meets charm. Mercury, the clever communicator, joins Venus, the goddess of grace. In the modern world, this period is brilliant for those in media, writing, design, marketing, or education. Ideas flow easily. Collaborations sparkle with harmony. Financially, it's one of the most productive subperiods. Intelligent investments and communication bring gains. Relationships thrive on mental connection. Conversations turn intimate, and love feels youthful again. Health is balanced, though overthinking can lead to anxiety or digestive disturbances. Vata Pitta imbalance. 9th Venus Ketu Antardasha. Duration 1 year and 2 months. Shukre Ketvante Vairagyam Saundaryanadhra. In Venus Ketu, detachment from luxury and worldly pleasures arises. And now, the final act. Venus meets Ketu, the Moksha Karaka, the silent liberator. The goddess of beauty faces the shadow of detachment. In modern life, this may manifest as emotional withdrawal, introspection, or a deep longing for meaning beyond pleasure. People often shift away from luxury towards simplicity. Careers move from material success to soulful purpose. Health may require spiritual healing. Unexplained fatigue or emotional burnout may arise, urging rest and meditation. Relationships demand honesty. Karmic ties dissolve. Only true connections remain. Wealth may seem unstable, yet a subtler richness emerges. Inner peace, artistic purity, or spiritual clarity. The fulfillment of Venus Mahadasha. As each Antardasha unfolds, Venus teaches the soul to embrace life with awareness, harmony, and refinement. From the deep pleasures of Venus to the introspective calm of Venus Ketu, the Mahadasha guides the heart to balance desire with devotion, attraction with understanding, and indulgence with grace. By the end of this Mahadasha, the seeker knows that true beauty is not in what is owned or achieved, but in the awakened heart that can appreciate, create, and love without attachment.